Thank you Luisa for sponsoring this video. Luisa is running exclusive Black Friday sale and I'm gonna talk about this in a few. Hi, what you're about to watch is a random meow. Not random meows, random unboxing. Aha! Okay, I see you. So these were in the box. Can you guess what it is? It is jewelry from Luisa. Hey! Thank you Luisa for sending me jewelry. Let's see what I have. Ooh. Ooh, pretty. I don't know if you guys remember, I talked about Luisa a couple months ago. I love Luisa's jewelry. They make these gorgeous timeless pieces which are affordable and sustainable. Whenever they have like kind of layering pieces, they actually make it separately so that you can wear it separately. This is nice. Okay. We have so many pieces, so let's move on to the next one. This chain is gorgeous as well. What do you think? Ooh, I love this. It looks like the part of chain, like the single chain, I can already tell this was designed very thoughtfully. It's like perfect matching pieces. I love it. Yeah. What up? I like it. I think this is a good outfit. I'm wearing sweatpants with this off-shoulder top. Okay, the next one. What's inside? Ah. And you can also adjust the length when you have that kind of option, and you can also layer it with other jewelry pieces, so it's good. Next pieces that I'm going to try are these. I love this like croissant detail. What do you think? I think it's super cute. For this look, I want to put my hair up. The crazy bun. A very classy look. So, since Black Friday is coming up and Luisa is having an exclusive Black Friday sale, I will put a link down below, which is the exclusive link that Luisa gave it to me for you guys. Yeah, so make sure to take advantage if you're looking for sustainable jewelry pieces. Okay, let me send this email first. Go ahead, open this box. So here we go, another random unboxing. So let's open this. Oh, whoa! I love the color. This is gorgeous color. I love it. I love it so much. Oh my god. Okay, thank you so much, Polène. Yeah. So, okay, let me put this box down. let's talk about these boxes. These are really sturdy, beautiful boxes. I don't know. This is called Lucabas. Did I pronounce it right? I don't know. I don't speak French, so right off the bat, what I can tell is the quality of the leather is amazing. I can tell it's durable and I don't think it's gonna be scratched easily. I love the details. And there's like a little button inside. Only thing is there's no compartment, so it's like a big, huge space here. But I love it. Let me see if it's gonna stand it by itself. That's very important for me. It does. Good. This is perfect. And I like this little string thing on the side. Perfect. Let's move on to the next one. Numero 9. 9? 9. I don't know. 9. Ooh, this card. I love it already. Look at this. Drop dead gorgeous. So cute. And let me see inside. Honestly, I'm really impressed with the quality. This one, there's a little compartment inside, so that's good. And there's a little closure here. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Polène, again for sending me these gorgeous bags. Thank you so much.
Be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you. No more. I like me better when I was yours. I'm going back. I'm going back. I'm going back. I'm going back. I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better. I like me better. I like me better. I like me better. I like me better when I was
I don't really have a lot of brow hairs, so I don't know how it's gonna come out, but I want to try it. Oh, it doesn't look right.